Hyaluronic acid, or HA filler injections, are the most common fillers used in all of plastic surgery and dermatology. So these fillers, HA fillers, are made up of hyaluronic acid, which is a common building block of your tissue, meaning your body is already full of hyaluronic acid. It's an important part of the tissue that is around your cells in your body. So this is highly purified hyaluronic acid, and what we do is it's like a gel, and it's injected through a needle or a cannula depending on where we are injecting it, and it serves to add volume to your face where you need more volume. So if you're losing volume in certain areas of your face due to aging, filler can help restore that lost volume. If you want to augment certain areas of your face to add volume, such as your lips, filler can do that as well. How it is done is once we decide what areas you want treated and what your goals are, we apply numbing cream to that area. The topical numbing cream sits for about 15 minutes or so, and then I will inject the filler with cannulas or needles depending on what area of the face we are working on, and that will then add volume to those areas of your face. Hyaluronic acid fillers last for approximately 9 months. In areas of your face that don't move much, they may last up to a year. In areas of your face that move a lot, I find that they don't last quite as long. Treatments typically take less than 10 minutes to inject. So once you show up and you're checked in and we apply numbing cream, once I wipe the numbing cream off, it usually takes 5, maybe 10 minutes most to inject all the filler, usually closer to 5 minutes. So your total appointment time is generally 30 minutes or less, with most of that time being the numbing cream application, because it does take a few minutes for the numbing cream to kick in. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.